Today we recreate Epcot's French onion soup, also known as soupe à l'oignon gratiné. Heat large pot over medium heat to melt 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 4 large sliced onion to the melted butter. Cook until they are caramelized and soft. Stir in 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Pour in 10 cups chicken broth. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons thyme, 1 tablespoon parsley, 2 dried bay leaves. Stir and cover. Lower the heat to medium-low for 40 minutes. Toast French bread at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Place a slice of bread in a bowl and pour the onion soup over the bread. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish the soup with shredded Gruyere cheese and place in the oven for about 10 minutes or until cheese is melted and golden brown. Now the soup is ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating!